Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilas and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of GBPJPY, and as expected, GBPJPY is still going down and it failed to cross the weekly resistance. Right now, GBP/JPY is standing at 173.00. If you look at the overall chart of GBP/JPY, then there should not be any doubt regarding the trend of the market. GBP/JPY is still in uptrend, though it failed to cross the weekly resistance here, but the market is still in uptrend. But we need to focus on the previous high here. We can see that GBP/JPY's structure was quite clear. It was forming higher highs, higher lows, but here GBP/JPY failed to cross the previous high when it could not cross the weekly resistance. So the next low of GBP/JPY will be very important. To maintain the present structure of GBP/JPY's chart, it needs to form a higher low. If it forms a higher low and bounces from here again, it will be a confirmation to us that yes, the market structure is still very much intact. But on the other hand, if it breaks the 100 moving average here and takes support somewhere around 172, 173, it will be a lower low and may indicate a trend reversal for the coming days. So let's watch the chart of GBPJPY carefully. So here is the total chart of GBPJPY. So let's try to unfold the levels one by one. So first of all, we have a strong support around 172.50. Around 172.50, we have the 100 moving average, and we also have previous price rejection around this area, previous support. So 172.50, 172.60 is a very good support level to maintain the present structure of GBP/JPY. It needs to bounce from here. If it bounces, well and good, we can also go for a buy position. Simply go to 1 hour time frame and look for price rejection from below. If you see any good price rejection from below, it can be hammer, it can be a pin bar, or any bullish engulfing pattern will give you the confirmation that yes, buyers are present around 172.50. Market wants to continue the upside and you can consider a buy. But on the other hand, if GBPJPY, GJ breaks 172.50 and if the selling pressure is high, you can also expect GBPJPY to head towards the next support of 171.20. 171.20 is the next immediate support, next immediate strong support. Okay, and if the selling pressure is high, then obviously this is the next support of GBPJPY. I'm not saying that you can achieve the target of 171.20 or 120-130 pips on a single day, but yes, in next few days you can obviously expect 171.20 to be the next target if GJ breaks 172.50 with good amount of volume, because that will be a confirmation that the trend of the market is changing, the structure of the market is changing. Previously the buyers were dominating, but right now the sellers have taken control over the market and they are in charge. So 172.50, 172.60 is a very crucial support on the chart of GJ, because if market breaks this level, then yes, things will be critical. Okay, so these are the two support levels, 171.50 and 171.20, the ultimate support. Okay, we also have some minor supports in between. Let me show you. Okay, we also have some minor support around this area. Okay, around 172 level also we have some minor support. But if the selling pressure is high enough, then obviously at one point, okay, you will see market breaking 172 as well after some retracement. So it all depends on the volatility and volume of the market. And during the day, if market tries to recover, then obviously the best resistance on the chart of GBP JPY is around 173.90. the best resistance or strongest resistance on the chart of GJ. But before 173.90, the market will have to cross multiple resistances. The first resistance is around 173.50 to 173.40. This is the first resistance on the chart of GJ. During the day, if you see the market is going up, observe the market around this area. Why? Because you can see we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. We also have 200 moving average. The previous support, will be acting as resistance, and we also have 50 moving average coming down. So if we combine all the factors here, 173.50, 173.40 is a seems to be a good resistance for day traders. If market faces selling pressure around this area, if market shows price rejection from below, you can consider taking a price rejection from above. Okay, price rejection from above, shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, you can consider taking a sell around this area. But if market breaks this level here, then your eyes should be on 173.90. 173.90 seems to be the strongest resistance for the day. As I always say, volatility of the market is very, very important. Volatility decides whether a support will work or not. So in this case, let's wait and watch how the market reacts. And if you go to any economic calendar, you'll see that there is no major news in the market right now. You can see today we have news on Australian dollar and Canadian dollar only. Tomorrow we have some news on USD, but no news on GBP. Next news on GBP is around 13th June. Okay, so technical should be dominating the market right now. Let's wait and watch. As I said earlier, that the structure of the market is changing because we are on the 1 hour time frame right now, and you can clearly see that whenever market is trying to go up, okay, try to understand the market emotion here. Whenever market is trying to go up, market is unable to cross the previous high here, which signifies that buyers in the market are exiting or buyers in the market are losing strength. In this market situation, usually we get to see a trend reversal. So next high as well as the next low, yes, the next low of GJ will be very, very important. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. So this is my analysis, my difference. I can be wrong as well, so follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. I'm also a trader like you. Yes, a bit more experience, but still, I'm also wrong many times. So do not gamble, and always keep in mind, we are traders, not gamblers. Bye bye. Take care.